Mariotti.
There you go.
Mariotti. Look, you have all the illegal immigrants selling their shit,
Where?
peddling their shit.
Where?
Yeah, these guys, these women. That's what they do. They come in here and they sell their shit. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite YouTube personality, internet influencer, internet personality, Mikey fucking Pipes, with Yonkers Al. I like that name, Yonkers Al. I'm gonna call you Yonkers Al right now. Yonkers Al is my parole officer for the day. He's gonna make sure, he's gonna sit there, and just keep his hands crossed, sitting in the corner in the cuckold chair, that single chair that's in the hotel room that you and your wife visit. You know what I'm talking about. You have that one chair in the corner of the hotel room. That's called the cuckold chair. You know that, Yonkers Al? Now you do. And the next time you guys walk into a hotel, to spend the night, you're gonna see that single chair there. You're gonna remember, fuck, Mikey Pipes called it the cuckold chair. If you don't know what a cuckold is, I suggest you go on Urban Dictionary and figure it out. Or your favorite porn site, and just do a genre search for cuckold. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Ask your wife's boyfriend. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we just finished up a service call this Sunday morning, a little after 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm on the Belt Parkway in Queens, in the great state of New York. Yonkers Al is my ride-along for the day. He is a YouTube subscriber, and he wanted to ride along today with me. Why? I have no fucking idea. But it's nice to have some engagement with the community. I love all you guys, by the way. Thank you for the support. It's awesome stuff. So it's Sunday morning, Al, and I was reading the paper. I just got off a 3-day holiday. Jewish holiday, right? I just got off a 3-day holiday, and I was reading the paper on Friday morning. After I want to get in there. You see how people drive here? Like, they have no idea, Al. Right, Al? See, my parole officer is sitting there in the court, in the cuckold chair, being quiet. So I'm reading the paper Friday, the New York Post. That's the only paper I'll read. And in the first few pages, there's an article about a 16-year-old that was killed in gunfire. Right? And there's a picture of the boy's father collapsed, at the curb, the sidewalk. Can't believe it. My good boy. Family's commenting, he's such a great kid, right? Ladies and gentlemen, he died at 1:30 in the morning, Wednesday morning, a school night. May I ask, what the fuck is a 16-year-old doing out on the corner in the Bronx on a school night at 1:30 in the morning? I'm sorry, I'm going to keep it real here, but nothing good comes of that, of a high school student being out at 1:30 in the morning on a school night. Nothing good happens with that. Now, a loss of a life is a tragic occurrence, a tragedy. It sucks that this family lost a member, 16-year-old. But it makes me wonder, where was the boy's father at 1:30 in the morning? Just keeping it real. Just keeping it real. And again, like I said, it's horrible that someone with a gun killed another. And as you guys know, and ladies know, guns don't kill people. People kill people. Yet they want to take away our guns. Huh. How about take away the people that are operating these guns in an illegal fashion? Do that instead. So we're going to our next service call. Yonkers Al is being very quiet. They're like my parole officer. You know, he's just sitting there observing. You're like I feel like I'm in at a union shop, and my boss is sitting there like critiquing with his little notepad and a pencil. He's just gonna sit there and be quiet. Very camera shy. What? There's no pencil? I'll give you a pen. Want a pen? Here's a pen. Here's a Mikey Pipes pen. Look, it says Mikey effing Pipes. He's looking for paper. Don't you know we're a paperless company, Yonkers Al? There's no paper here to write on. All right, we're going to a gas-fired boiler in a residential setting that is all FUBAR. And then, guys, in case you guys don't know what FUBAR means, it means fucked up beyond all recognition. FUBAR. We're gonna see what's going on, and I'll catch you in the next one. Just wanted a little rant and rave on the way to the next service call. Thoughts and prayers to the boy's family who lost his life by an individual who decided that he needed to fire that weapon and kill someone. Catch you in the next one, guys. Be well, God bless, stay safe. Hug your kids.